Hi guys, welcome back to Ela's Kitchen. My name is Emmanuel. Today we are going to make crispy pata.
Let's check with our ingredients. We need pork leg, soya sauce, vinegar, peppercorn, bay leaves, onions, garlic, chicken cubes, sugar, salt and water. Okay, now we are going to boil the pork leg. Okay. We have an empty pot here. Now we are going to put the pork leg in the pot for boiling. Okay, just nice. Okay, then we put the smashed garlic. Okay, and the chopped onions. Okay, just leave it there. Now bay leaf and the peppercorn. Okay, then we need to add salt. The salt depends how much you want to put, and this will take 1 hour to soften the pork leg, so we need to boil it for 1 hour. Okay, now we add the chicken cubes. This is to have a flavor for the meat, so that the flavor will absorb to the meat while boiling. Okay, now we add in the water. Okay, it's very important that the water level is just to cover the meat. Okay, so now the water is covering the meat now. Okay, and we have to let it boil. Turn on the fire. Okay, we just let it boil, and once boiling you can turn the fire into medium. Okay, you can cover it and let it boil for 1 hour. Okay, while we are waiting for the pork leg to get softened, I'm going to show you how to make the sauce for our crispy pata. Okay, we need soya sauce, sugar, vinegar, salt, pepper powder, lemon, chili, onions and garlic. Okay, now I'm going to put the dry ingredients into the bowl. So we need salt. Okay, how salty you want, it's up to you. You adjust the salt. Okay, then we need sugar. Now we add in the vinegar, so that the sugar and salt will dissolve. Okay, now the soya sauce. Now we add in the chili, the garlic, onions. Okay, and the pepper. If you want to have more sauce, you can just add in some more because it must have more vinegar in it. Okay, now you can add in you can just squeeze the lime. Okay, for crispy pata, it's very important that we make a perfect sauce. If you can make a perfect sauce for crispy pata, then you are a winner. Okay, or you just squeeze it. Okay, now you can try it. How sour you need or you want, then you can just adjust. You can add in some more salt. It's up to you. You can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. Okay, now 1 hour is over. We are going to check whether the pork leg is soft. Okay, still boiling. Okay, let's check whether it's soft. I'm going to use the stick. Now it's soft. Okay, now the pork leg is soft. I'm going to drain up the water. Okay, it's like this. You have to use the plate, pour it on the plate. Okay, wow, it's perfect. Okay, just leave it rest for 15 minutes and later we are going to put some salt in it. Let's wait for a while because now it's very hot. Wait until we are able to handle the meat. Now our pork leg is cold. Now we are able to handle it. Okay, now we are going to wipe the meat of this combination of salt, white pepper powder and chicken cubes powder. Okay, so if you don't like to apply to put chicken cubes, it's up to you, but for me it's just like to add flavor to the meat. So I'm going to wipe the powder into the meat. Okay, like this. And make sure that all the meat is evenly wiped with this powder, so it will add flavor to the meat, so that the salt will absorb to the meat. Okay, and remember to wash your hands before you do this. Okay, just wipe it evenly to the meat. Okay, okay, now we are going to let it rest for 15 minutes so that the taste will absorb inside the meat. So we wait for another 15 minutes and then before frying. Now our pork leg is ready to fry. Okay, now we have a wok here with the oil inside. I already on to the medium fire. Okay, make sure that the oil is already hot before putting in the pork leg. So before you put the pork leg inside, you must have something to cover the pot, because when you put the pork leg, the oil will sprinkle. So it's important that when we put the pork leg inside, you must cover immediately. Okay, so your left hand must have the cover, holding the cover, and your right hand will put in the pork leg. Okay. Okay. So it's like this, and you cover immediately. Okay, just fry it for 15 minutes, and then when we turn, another side is 15 minutes. So it's a medium fire, not so big, not so little. Okay, it's a medium. Okay, remember when you open the pot, remember to off the fire so that the oil, it won't sprinkle to your face. So remember to off the fire before opening the cover. Okay, now we are going to open the cover. Remember to check the fire whether it's off or on. Remember to off it. So now this is our crispy pata. Careful, Bea. Remember to the fire must remain off while putting the... Okay, now we are going to open the cover. Remember to check the fire whether it's off or on. Remember to off it. So now this is our crispy pata. It's perfect, but we have to fry this one more time. Okay, now I'm going to take out the... Wow, it's so yummy, but it's not done yet. We have to fry it one more round. Okay, now I want to take out the pork leg. Wow, it looks so yummy. Okay, and let it cool down for another 15 minutes before putting back to the pot. Okay, the purpose of frying it in 2 times so that the skin of the meat is more crispy. So let it rest for another 15 minutes and before we put back again. So now I'm going to put in the pork leg. Okay, then so this is our crispy pata. Okay, now it's done, and then you can see the texture and the color is just perfect, and now it's even more crispier. Okay, so now I'm going to bring up. So this is our crispy pata. The skin is even more tastier and crispier. Okay, and this is our sauce, partner with my homemade papaya pickles, immersed with sweet and sour vinegar. It's just perfect for our crispy pata. So this is one of our Filipino specialty, and I hope you'll try this in your home. And please subscribe, like, share, and comments. Thank you so much. Bye.